Here to help us put books in the hands of more children is Lucio Shields from Renewal by Andersen, who is here with a very special gift. Why is it so important to Renewal by Andersen to support these kids and get more books?
Oh, we are so excited to be here in order to make a difference, not only in our homeowners' lives, but our families and our community. And this is a really big way that we can do that. And today we want to make sure that we are presenting this big, wonderful check of $3,000 in order to give to our community.
That's
Yeah.
a big, heavy check, too.
Yeah,
I
and we
know.
we really do appreciate it. And of course, there's a lot of campaigns out there, a lot of things that you all could support, but why this one and why with CBS 6?
Oh, we truly see ourselves as difference makers. We want to go out of our way and make a difference, and we do so each day in our CARES program. And so this was a perfect way for us to give back through our CARES program. Yeah.
That is sensational. And it really goes a long way to boosting our campaign this year. As we want the viewers at home to see this, to see how our community is coming together. And hopefully it inspires you to want to help children, local children, get books to build their personal libraries.
And again, thanks to you and Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia very much for your support and for this donation and all of the books that now kids will have here in Virginia.
Yes, thank you. We are just so grateful to be able to do it.